How to fix if your SD card is not showing up on your mobile device. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will learn how we can fix if your SD card is not showing in your mobile device. So without further delay, let's get started. First option is to restart your device. Simple but effective method. Restart your device to refresh your system and check whether that will help you out or not. If still not, make sure that your SD card is properly inserted. Try to use your SD card on a different mobile device and check whether the problem is within the SIM card or on the device. If that does not work, then go and check your storage setting. Go to the settings. And now under settings, go to your storage, and if the SD card is recognized but not mounted, so check that as well. If so, you have to tap the enable or mount option under the settings. If that does not work out for you, then you could clear the application keys in data for the storage application. Go to the settings, tap on apps, and here you have to go to the see all apps. Tap on the three dot at the top right corner, tap on show system. Now under system app, find the media storage and the storage option. From here, check if you could find that application or not. Here you have setting storage and there is storage manager. You can go to the storage managers and remove the application keys in data and then restart your phone. After that, check whether your problem is solved or not. If that still does not work for you, then you have to update your phone software. Sometimes the system box can also cause the recognition issue. For that, look for an updates. To find your updates, again under the settings, you have to go to the system and under system head to its software update, and if the update is available, make sure to install the update. And if that still does not help you, check for your physical damage. Inspect your SD card properly for any scratches or damage. If damaged, you need to replace your SD card. So that's the way to fix if the SD card is not showing up in your mobile device. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.